Apple has announced plans to scan iPhones for images of child sexual abuse, and this feature is expected to go live first in the United States. So there is going to be an in-device protection feature which is going to prevent children from sending or receiving any type of sensitive content. And parallelly, there is going to be a mechanism to alert parents if the user is below the age of 13. So if you're using an iPhone and you use Siri or the search to look up any type of CSAM, basically child sexual abuse material or related topics, Apple is going to intervene. Now, big tech companies have been accused for years because their platforms have been used for exploitation of children and they've done nothing about these issues. It's probably in the wake of these concerns that Apple has taken this step. Now, this decision by Apple has attracted widespread criticism for obvious privacy concerns that people have. Apple has clarified that if any iPhone user has uploaded images on iCloud, it's only the images which match CSAM material, basically the child sexual abuse material, only that information will be shared with Apple. Any other content that an iPhone user uploads on iCloud, information of that will not be shared with Apple. That's what they claim. So when we talk about CSAM content, child sexual abuse material, it's basically child pornography. It refers to any representation of a child engaged in real or simulated explicit sexual activities. It also includes representation of the child's sexual parts for primarily sexual purposes. Now, Apple firmly maintains that this innovation and this step is not going to threaten iPhone users' privacy. Apple has clarified that this feature is not going to intervene with any photograph which you have not uploaded on iCloud. So if your iCloud is disabled, Apple will not be able to scan any of your images and they will not be peeping into your personal phone gallery which is in your physical device which you own.